Hello everyone. Children, it's very interesting to draw a picture and fill color in the drawing. In computer, you are using MS Paint to draw and fill color. Now, we have one another interesting application for drawing, that is Tux Paint. Now, let's see the chapter's name, that is Advanced Features of Tux Paint. Now, in this chapter, we will discuss many topics such as Introduction to Tux Paint, Tools of Tux Paint, Storyboard, Slideshow, Deleting a Drawing, and Quick Tool. Now, we will discuss all these topics one by one. So, let's start with the Introduction to Tux Paint. It is a free drawing program designed for children. It has a simple, easy to use interface, fun sound effects, and an encouraging cartoon that is mascot who helps children as they use the program. It provides a blank canvas and a variety of drawing tools to help the children be creative. Now, children, in this chapter, many tools are there which we are using in Tux Paint. Now, let's see which tools are there in Tux Paint, that is mosaic effect, kaleidoscope effect, emboss effect, lighten effects. Now, we will see all these topics one by one. First is mosaic effect. This effect is used to apply a pattern of many small colored pieces of stones on the canvas. Now, second is kaleidoscope effect. This tool is used to create freehand pattern. The most amazing feature of this tool is that even if we move the magic wand from a single point, it draws from all the four directions. Now, next is emboss effect. Emboss effect gives a raised effect to an object from the surface that we have drawn. Now, last one is lighten effect. This lighten effect, as the name suggests, this tool is used to lighten the color of any object. So children, this way we can use all these tools in Tux Paint drawing. Now, using these tools only, we can create a storyboard in Tux Paint. So, let's see what is a storyboard. A storyboard is a series of pictures that provide a visual layout of events in a story. It is like a comic book which displays the characters with some actions and dialogues. It brings life to the script by showing the key scene as to how the objects will look, who will be present in the story, and what actions will take place. So, children, this is storyboard. Storyboard, again, I'm repeating here, storyboard is a series of pictures that provide a visual layout of events in a story. Now, next is slideshow. Slideshow is a series of selected pictures often displayed on the screen one by one. In Tux Paint, if we want to show our slide as a slideshow, we have to follow different steps. Now let's see which steps we will use for the slideshow. First is click on the open tool. It will display the thumbnails of saved pictures. Click on the slides option. Select the pictures you wish to display in a slideshow one by one. Now, next step is each picture that we have selected will be marked by a number. It lets you know the order in which they will be displayed in the slideshow. Next step is we can also deselect the selected image by simply clicking on it. The image will be removed from the slideshow and rest of the pictures will be renumbered. So children, this way we can see our slides as a slideshow. We can use some keys also here in slideshow. For that, press the space bar, enter right arrow key or next button to manually advance to the next slide. To go back to the picture selection screen, press the back button or click the ESC, that is escape key, to exit the slideshow. Now we can see here we have selected the pictures just like 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So slideshow we can see as per the selected numbers. Now next, how can we delete a drawing? Delete a drawing means whatever unwanted pictures are there in your drawing, if you want to delete it, you can do that also. You can delete a saved file in the TuxPaint. For that, you have to select the open tool. All the saved files will appear on the screen. Choose the drawing you want to delete from TuxPaint. Click on the erase button present at the bottom right of the screen. TuxPaint will prompt the message, erase this picture. It will ask you, you have to click on yes. So picture will be deleted. Next is quit tool. Quit tool means if you want to exit from the screen, then here you will use quit tool. Quit tool helps you to exit the TuxPaint program. Now we have this much topics in the chapter. Now I hope you are able to understand the lesson. At the last of the lesson, here recap of the chapter is also given. Children, read it very nicely and learn it. Thank you.